Aturi
Jumatano ntobwate clinic kelikia surgery asibali bako barwa bado Jumatano iyi ntobwate clinic y'abangina naba rwere bali pia babwata magana ya mauga babunekire babekire chichuma ikorokwa orthopedic clinic. Aramisi ntobwate medical outpatient ikorokwa MOPC eliya marwere mono mna sukari, pressure, malaria eyokoba Ramisi
tibweba Christmarion nebwate ambulance asaba konyibwa emergency kusibwango
asaba rwere bali barwarite chinyiko ntobwate clinic kera ukigeo korwa kira omotienyo 6 aso mwaka lakini bono twachirete tamo kira omotienyo 3 onye yabanja no twakora gotokora match yende twakora omotienyo 6 uyondo omotienyo 9 aso mwaka clinic chia maino ntobwate pake ward yabana bake bali banyorero lakini rene matuko abo taraika
patarire ase omuchibo songo asamatabekani amashauri ase para ekotira korwa kisi kogenda chitangio sikima bondo
boigon tobwate ensemo ikoro ku maternity ine ensemo yabangina bali banyorera abana bose bago chikonyora abana asa abantu bali babwate megonge ko baroma bali kiru n'abanyagitari bachikokorerwa masoezi tobwate chi specialist nyagitari ito chikoro ku physiotherapist tobwate ensemo ya theater ebwate bintu ebinge nabariganiri ase nyagitari ito ya Christmarion ni nyagitari yomogusi na hinde takobwa magana yerigori incho toikaranse tokwane toigwane tokonya
asamange bakirisimia senamba 0720266999 gose 0791394904. Getemba Television ekionga kiamamogu
mwasomye mwancho muligereria ndonsi ya soro kwegena kwane nogendete gutwara uburigiririro bya ime ya Getembe TV na kwagenda kwego kalemerero babiri yito yonsi pibetera sensemo ya TV na buga sensemo ya mitandao nilitukolia Ijumaa tariki 22 mutenyino oyo komino mu mwaka bw'ekirube na 24 aki amatemo a KCSE anyareko bakawika omweri lituko lya lero gosago chwika omweri lituko lya lero negati yanda mange yagendete kwenekibwa kurase chinsemo kurase county ya Kisii county ya Nyamira mwe chinsemo chinde chichietane ni karansoike komanye kionga chinse sano nibira senchera yo bwenye botantanu wonde bwensi botayonche Cynthia Kirbo kurensemo imenyeri gotorenera Wilson Makori. Chinga kiogo temwa kwa matemo a KCSE osama temwa ye kirasi 12 anyareko bakawika lero lituko lya lero niwe bikoro byo boibi bitaranyara kwa bikweneke gukora sensemo ya Masaba North na gukwana lituko lya ramaga yokora umurobere bokena na matemo asabateneri bechi skuru akora sensemeyo nigobono oyo tenerete osemo DCC sub county ya Masaba North Madam Stella Wanyera anyareko bakawateba mno butakini obutukini gobogendrete igoro oyo kage oyo kagere tugochi bwatani gwaso bibi wa matemo yo asibanaganiria abayibori boigo kulinda abana babo chinga kechiga ba rich school na gocha ase chinka baganyere tukugura gocha school mwaka 2025.
Exercise imekuwa mzuri tangu tulipoanza siku ya kwanza. Administration ya examinations imeenda mzuri, tumekuwa na teamwork, tumefanya kazi vizuri pamoja na the multi-agency team ya Masaba North. We had a few cases of our girls who were blessed with the young ones, but that did not hinder them from undertaking the examinations. I want to thank the teams, starting with the security team, for the good coordination and for provision of security during exams. I want to thank the education department, the TSC department, and the center managers, that is the principals for conducting the examinations well. We have not had any issues of exam malpractices. And from the reports we have received from the monitors from NEC and other external monitors, we have received a good clean bill of health as Masaba North. I think we had an issue about the person who was arrested on Instagram, who was having an Instagram group. That person was not a member of Masaba North. So, and he was arrested in Kisii. So I don't have much to say about it because investigations are ongoing. So as we enter the festive season, this is December, I want to urge all the parents to mind about the children at home, to ensure that children are taken care of, and also that they monitor the movement of their children and ensure that they are close to their children and just monitor the activities. Those children have come home with exercises, with homework. Ensure that they monitor them even as the teachers have molded them. They ensure that when schools open in January, they are bringing the children.
Tugotikana na roboti urubono niga bonchuria bechiro ya gesima nigo bono banyere ko bagwesokia na kwemurunganiria okoba begwechiro eyo ya gesima siba kunyara ko bagokorera obonjurire bwabo na korwa sensemende bwigo kubora ko burendi asiba kunyara ko ba ibintu byabo bikunyara ko babikuibwa asiba bolire serikali korwa senseme yuno bika serikali enene kunyara ko kwesokia na kubaroseria echire yore gukini birengo by'uchumi.
Abonchile kurwase chiro ya gesima wodi ya gesima gobeso kiretana niyo gukwanere mechando babwate ase bakwanere nyumba yo bonchulia yaga chetwe kurende bono yakurire ngakentambe etanya gochaka emirimo ase nonya nababego batagwire merangu egento kiabairo bwo bonene asa matukare bosio
iga gesima ndo bato mojando barigiti aito twabekere tuga merango yatago irungo erekare wetera asobole ndio buya botayo
echiro tiaga chitwe no mo MCA ito the former tiana ko igoro abangine bako twero isiko bakoneria chinyanya chinye ni chiko ne chiro nero abwate mirango yatago irwe abaibi baonire
tokore tamana gutoko onyo umuberocha ase marigiti twarosera tikunto bwati bokonyi wano toko chikomya kwa chichituka umuibero toita ebintu byatweru
oborendi ase chire yiga nigo bwakeire mono kubwatekana no kubora gwetaya ase geka kimetinye tano nomo egento gekuba beterere gosie kemeremo yabo yobonchire kendabu elyo gwetanga kurwase egesunte kebe
ndire tokorera ko cyasore ngesimando bwatitaya taya itwe ya limite emetienye tano ya edire nomo
amache are ase chire yiga boigo amone chinyomba cya kebara nigo biraroro aso mugwekano asebate banga tanya kubakonya nabo igo chinyomba cya kebara tichiri ase kerengo kegwenerete elyo gokonya ase engaki etakire na mono chingaki choboncheria
icho eriga ndirigo chieka mirango yatagoirwe management yere poa
dejijo mategaria irigo simigwa echiro telikwa buswa
nonya manja de chiro iga ale metwe miaka ya edire 5 na ndana ko igorwa ndana ko bana obokonyi ko chengesima no ade iga ni fact evidence stangi nandi biriko konya kende
elyo konyoro bokonyi nigo barure birero byabo gochase omo MCB wodi ya gesimo muske Kenneth atutinyameno baikange elyo ko bakonya naryo barayikirania imirimo yabo yobonchire boronge
Togo sabo mo MCA onyara ko tokonya
dire twachire iga no ko birero byaito mo MCO ito Kennedy Nyameino ayo ito Kennedy Nyameino koranje to ikange
Nkuripotereke tembe kurwase echiro ya gesimo gotoke wodi ya gesimo bogetutu masabimi county ya Nyamira inche Freddy Agari.
Mwana mulikito Fred Agari asogotariganira roboti orwa senchira yo boikinanu na kurwa sense mende mega yabara iva chojo kurwa sorogongo rwa busi kumera na imeo mucho Nairobi matukoma keigo aerire ri gukwanira winchinchira chonse chibaranyare kwa bago chamo eri gukini amagendro ime county ya Kisii use county ya Kisii county ya Nyamira ane monorogongo rwa Gusii onigo mutumbe obasi musike Innocent Obiri nigo bananyare kwa bakagwe soke na gukwanira amange ayibanyate kwa bako kwana asege kariki kyabo ime muchi on Nairobi asaburiri abamenyi borogongo rwa Gusii buna aikiba kwanerte nigo oro ya magendro namna bago se buna bago cha ko tiria bendera yo Gusii na boyo kubanekeri amagendera
tutwale common approach ekaro to kuligia magendera roja Gusii ikina kia ringi number 1 but also ekaro mangana abere Gusii we take common stand twagamba to take a common stand for now tuanze tena abana babunge bali bachorire onye togo jugo wenda kuchia saba abale bale ngora bakoro that is later kende gions project and gions we can se kuru mwanzo tuanze kurwa unity y'abajumbe bali bachole kali wikebe manyangane serikali ya bali bayakirite chikura na batayi yakirite bali bakoye support na bali koye support je no mujumbo bazi tindiko sabu bali bali go support boka
Kora sense mende boniga basaiba burigo weso kiase obonge irine banyaka bakurigia ebirogo bya serikali wase ebirogo bya siasa abatari konyara kwa bakobwa kende gions
Irari gusaba basaiba itase county yetu ya Kisii mosoka so bonge aseri tukoliria togocha gokorobo chori ase grassroots tarehe 27 jimuru murai kurasa county ya Kisii nko basabaiga obo chori gose utaka komeke kiama gitu ke very strong wikagetwara abasaba ke very vibrant very uniformed abasaba so mete bamaitesi bakuruna spaguchia elinde to so keli tukolia so bonge turwanerere birogo biria na ekertu arwanerere birogo mbere bigo chikoba vacant kurwa se polling station tocha se ward level tocha se constituency level tocha se county level na we go to the national government nali ko basaba baito ase county yetu ya Kisii ase chi ward for 5 tarehe 27 mumutyenyoyo mosoka so bonge kwenda kwirwanira na kurwanira kochorwa etokabwate mainstream ebwata abantu 10 tugatware women league ebwata abantu 10 tugatware youth league ebwata abantu 10 na persons with disability igotoko chikochora abantu 30 pa polling station as a polling station chance p to what
Araboti oruno yotenerete abasaye korase kiama kia ODM ime county ya Kisii asireta Dennis Moso tio yonyara kobaga kobatebi abasaye korase county ya Kisii na ogoteso kia konyara kwa gukoligie birogo na kugokogera barabumba likonyara kwa bakonyora mabaga kisaine ase serikali ose konyara kwa baba gukwana gusebirengere byabo byanyara kwa babigwikana yobono nere byabasaye ndonse asimu munyara kwa mugwesokia so mwaka 2027 munyara kwa mukoligie birogo asensemo ya siasa to neyungo kira wikase nkwana yo murai wensi ya Kenya Muske William Samuel Ruto chingekere aikira naso mwenye boko erukerwa chigutwa se abanafunzi me county ya Nakuru.
As I said yesterday, because of the different spaces of available information, it is much more easy today to inform the public, to educate the public, to even entertain the public. But also, equally, it is much more easy to misinform the public, to disinform the public, for fake news to travel miles before you know what the truth is. What is the place of fake news, of social media, and the advent of misinformation, fake news, disinformation, and what effect it has on public understanding and governance and public trust on institutions that are supposed to be responsible for governance. I'm sure these are issues that are of importance and requires intellectual discourse, intellectual interrogation to give us pathways for us to chart going into the future. In today's interconnected world, risks and threats easily escalate into global crises and disasters. However, our collective and individual security can be significantly enhanced through partnership and strategic alliances. Challenges such as climate change, transitional crime, cross-border terrorism, and instability driven by scarcity or economic crises often transcend borders. Kenya's security depends on the strength of our collaborative framework with regional neighbors and global allies, fostering dynamic and responsive partnership frameworks that promote mutual respect, shared security, and inclusive prosperity calls for strategic capacity.
Wikirabu no to wikiro mwe wekionga chinse sano ni bira senshira yubwingi ingine nda se kionga chinse kumanya yo manaenda mange bnagendete kone ko kurase chinse mo yenda gutwara uburigere yobuya na kwego kalimero velito yonsipi the link option oro morovelio okogo chira asembeo na se kurase sense mimanyeri gutwengenera Wilson Makori nenche Cynthia Kirubo sema transmission nere DJ at
Getemba Television ekionga kiamamogusi. Ekionga kiamamogusi amuna Uhuru Superstores niko koretera bale Black Friday. Black Friday.
Gagi. Uhuru Superstore. On Friday. This coming Friday. Over.